actually have a stay well room. Come. Oh yeah. My first time buying stay well. Let's see if it's good. Okay, where the heck is this? 2484, I think, over here. That's a floor. Good. Next, ice machine. Okay. Not far from the elevators. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember this. Similar. It's just that's supposed to be, I don't know, differences. It looks the same. Got your bathroom. You got 2 full closets. Robe. This time I got a robe. Last time I only got slippers. Very nice, very nice. These are also, I don't like these kind of locks. They seem like they're not very secure. Especially if you're staying by yourself. Okay, so here's the room. I got the queen. I usually get the king because I thought my mom was gonna come with me, but she decided to not come. She doesn't love Vegas like I do. Oh, look at my view. Okay, nice view. This is the electric ones. Are these the ones with the electric curtains? Oh yeah, there. See. There we are, my little tablet. To do all the curtains and the lights and stuff like that. Okay, oh, I gotta bombard that door with a chair. Look at this, I don't like these doors like this. Okay, it was pretty safe here. Let's see, room controls. Room controls. Drapes. Open. They're opening. Look at my view. Oh yeah. Oh, oh no. Look at that. Come on. These never. Keep going. Are you kidding me? Oh, I guess it goes every inch. See, my battery's dying and the curtains are not opening up fast enough, so I want to make this a vlog very cool with the drapes opening in one shot. Oh my god. And there we go, we got view of the, I think the Beers Tower, and oh, look at the crystal shops. Oh, perfect view. That's where you get dropped off over there. Valet pickup, or no, Uber pickup. Here's the room. Okay, I'm gonna have to stay here. I mean, request this next time I come here. I like the view and view. Sort of like the strip. Where's the Cosmo? The Cosmo is on the other side, I think. I don't think that one's the Cosmo. That's actually the what's that one? The Waldorf Astoria, which used to be Shangri-La. Is it Shangri-La? There's Nomad over there. Oh gosh, I can't believe I'm here. Vegas! I'm back, Vegas! I miss you so much. Oh, here's the room. I think I showed you guys already. No? You got your Fiji, you got your mini bar. Oh damn, there's no freaking there's no there is no. I'm gonna have to put my yogurt in here. Ice bucket. Alright guys, here's your room tour. I think the mirror here. Hi. Here, the safe is here somewhere. I think it's one of these. Okay. Where is that safe? Oh, I think the safe. The safe is in the drawer, I think. The safe is in one of these guys. See? I remember you guys. Oh, look at this. What is this? Lucky alarm. So they do provide a mask. Door thing, and this is to stay well. I guess welcome letter, or no. Yeah, this is just for safe travel mask, safe travel kit. Okay. I'm hoping that they did sanitize the room because there is no sticker or tag or any sort of notice that it was sanitized, but I'm assuming it was, you know. It smells pretty clean and it's stay well, so there's always air that on the stay well. Rooms do have the air filters, I believe. Yeah, they have the air filters, so these rabbit air filters. And they also have one of these things. I guess it's just one of those when you get up in the morning. It's almost like a night light, but it's very subtle, so it's kind of nice. And of course, we have the tablet that controls a whole bunch of room things, as well as you can also order from the room service. I think the only thing I'm disappointed about is the fact that a lot of buffets, especially here in Aria, are closed. I think only a few are open now, and it's just like, you know, it's kind of disappointing because I do like the Aria buffet. But anyway, that's the only thing that's really different from 2 years ago when I stayed here. You know, I mean, back then that was just before, you know, 2020 happened with all that craziness. But okay, I'm on my way to Venetian and Wynn. Get some player cards over there and do some more vlogging when I get there. Alright, so this is the night view from my room. Look how pretty it is. Vegas is lit up. Got a great view from this room. This is the Stay Well rooms, located on floors 23 and 24 at the Aria, my favorite casino and hotel. When I do go to Vegas, I like to stay here. Oh, see, it's pretty busy for a Tuesday night. There's a lot of people downstairs. I just finished playing. I had my live, and I had a winning live, so for those that caught it, for those that came in, thank you very much. Give it a like, and watch it. Hope that the live chat replay is on. Oh god, because I had to go back in again and do it again because Prism was giving me a hard time. I don't know why. Alright, just want to show you guys my view. Wow, this is amazing. I got a nice midnight snack before I go to sleep from the Aria Patisserie. Let me show you guys what I got. Yummy, yummy. Such good stuff over there. Savory and sweet options. It's a nice box. Nice box. Nice box. Look how pretty. Oops, I got Just borrowed it.